So this is my new fireplace. This is the high flame. This is the medium flame. And that's the low flame. That's it off. And it does have a heater on the front. The heater works well, but it kind of heats up the fireplace. So I've decided to go ahead and leave the heater off and use a little space heater. But I do think it's really pretty. So that's my new fireplace.
Our TURBRO log arrived last night and we installed it right away. So this is just the second day it's in there and it's looking pretty good. Here's the intensity levels. There's high, medium, and low. I personally prefer the low because it's easier then to suspend belief that it's not a real fire. And it looks pretty good so far. My only disappointment is that it won't work with Alexa, but that's not a big deal since we have the remote. Anyway, it looks pretty nice, adds a nice warm ambiance to the room. Not really interested in the heater, just kind of the look of it. And so far, so good. If anything else happens, I will update the review.